Do you want to improve your status in the office? Well, let's start by understanding that creating a positive image is paramount. It's the cornerstone of your professional persona and a significant determinant of how your colleagues perceive you. Now, what does this positive image entail? It's not just about the hard work you put in or the results you produce. Yes, those are important, but there's more. It's also about how you interact with others, your communication skills, and the energy you bring to the workplace. Think about it. Wouldn't you rather work with someone who is enthusiastic, approachable, and respectful? Moreover, creating a positive image doesn't stop at interpersonal relationships. It extends to how you present yourself, your punctuality, your attire, even your posture. All these elements collectively form an image that either elevates or hampers your professional standing. Remember, a positive image is the first step towards improving your office status. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to have a great relationship with everyone in the office? It's not sorcery, it's all about building positive relationships. Imagine your office not just as a place of work, but as a community. In any community, relationships play a pivotal role. They can make or break your day, influence your mood, and significantly impact your overall work experience. So how do you build these relationships? Start by actively listening. When a colleague speaks, pay attention, show genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings. This simple act can build trust and respect. Next, show empathy and support. We all have good days and bad ones. Being there for your colleagues during their downtimes can strengthen your bond. Lastly, communicate. Express your thoughts, ideas, and concerns clearly and respectfully. A good communicator is often a good relationship builder. Building positive relationships is a surefire way to boost your status in the office. Want to be seen as a true professional in your office? Now let's delve into the art of demonstrating professionalism. This is a cornerstone to enhancing your office status. Professionalism isn't just about ticking off tasks on your to-do list. It's about being punctual, reliable, and maintaining a positive attitude. When you're on time, it shows respect for others' time. Being reliable means people can trust you to deliver. And a positive attitude? Well, that's contagious. It can uplift your entire office. In the face of stress, remember to stay calm and composed. Stressful situations are inevitable, but how you handle them defines your professional character. And when it comes to conflicts, resolve them professionally. Listen, understand, and communicate effectively. Avoid the blame game. Instead, focus on finding solutions. Remember, your professionalism doesn't go unnoticed. It's an attribute that others admire and respect. Demonstrating professionalism is key to improving your office status.